April 18, 2024, officers with a federal task force arrived at a home on West 21st Street in Lorain to serve a warrant on 34-year-old Derek Smith. What happened next quickly escalated inside the upstairs bedroom.
Big old Suburban.
21 years of age.
Copy that.
Presence in Ohio. Gambling problem? Call 1-800.
Derek Smith.
Grandma's really nice. Knocking now.
She brought him down that side. Hello, it's us again. We need to talk to Derek.
She's found fire from upstairs.
Here! Come here! Someone's here for you!
Or someone.
Entrance.
Here!
Hey, Derek.
He's not coming down. That's what I think that's what the grandma's calling upstairs.
Your probation officer's out, Derek.
Grandma said to watch his windows too. Nope. You got that corner? He's on the
himself into the front room, in front of the house. I'm gonna grab the shield.
Do you need more up there? Or are you good with 3?
If we could
Hey, if you
do
want.
more, he's in this room right here,
Okay.
and he locked himself.
Sounds like he just
I'm
put
rolling
something
up.
against the door.
Where's he at?
Yeah,
Up
he's
at the
trying to
stairs?
barricade himself in there, telling me that he's not gonna open it up, so I'm gonna grab the shield.
Do you think it's this front window then, Wayne?
Derek, come out the road.
I think that's like sister's room. I don't think you can get it.
He's up against the door. He's barricaded the door.
I think,
Oh, light up.
You still ain't came out that room.
No, ma'am.
He knew this was coming. When you said you wasn't going to court, his mom came all the way from the to take him.
Whip the house up and shake it.
Shut up, Eeyore.
I don't know if he's against it. But once we go in, I'm not gonna go any further. Concentrate on holding the shield, creating space if someone else could go on the top. Hey, Derek! We want you to get hurt. Your PO wants to talk to you. You have to understand, if I have to break down the store and you get physical with us, we're gonna have to charge you. What's that? You're already getting charged. All you have, man, is you missed the court hearing. That's all you did is you missed the court hearing. What's that? Okay, so you have to understand everything that's going to happen from now on. You don't want to hear that? We're done talking? Okay, so be it.
Watch.
You just threw something.
Threw something out.
Fucking hit me right there. You okay?
Yeah.
Whatever was it? There's a light.
A light. He's got some kind of weapon.
He's got a bat.
Yeah, he does.
The subject's got a bat in his hand.
Did you get it?
No, he's up there fighting. We need a kick it to create space. I have a taser.
I think it's like off the hinge, the top hinge.
I can try. Let me have your taser. I got a less than weight thing. Yeah. What side would you want to try to kick? The hinge?
Probably that.
Okay. You okay? Okay.
Oh my God!
You good? You all right?
Ahead. I'm good. This guy did.
Who's that?
We're gonna need an ambulance up here.
Yeah.
My radio sound.
Shots fired.
med kit in the car or anything?
You okay? Cover him.
I got hit in the
I can
head.
tell the guys what's going on.
Are you okay?
Hit in the head.
You want to get up?
I don't
You
want
want
to
to
get
stay?
up.
Okay. Can you put your gun? Can you put your
I know
gun
if you
away?
need me.
We need an ambulance. At least 2.
Okay, you good? You good?
The offender's
You want to
been
stay right
hit.
there?
Down, but we don't think he's hit.
Get him cuffed.
Yeah.
Stay. Just stay here.
You don't go out, do you?
No, I don't have gloves. You got gloves? No. You got any gloves on you? Or you got any gloves? You got any gloves?
Yeah.
Are they small ones?
I'll take it.
Yep.
Okay, come on.
I got one arm.
Okay, we need gloves.
Okay.
Right here.
Son.
Side of the face.
I'll just cuff him in the front.
Cup in the front. You got any,
You're not hit anywhere.
What's it?
you got any, never mind.
The scene is safe up here.
You're not bleeding. Let me see
Ooh.
up here. It looks like you got hit in the eye.
Bust my head open.
Did you hit with the bat?
No.
You're bleeding a little bit.
Yeah, I just think we're all stumbling around in there. Yeah.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm good. I'm just got
Oh,
something
okay.
on top of the head.
Are you alright?
Yeah, fine.
I gotta get out of here.
You need to move?
I want to get out. Get out of the
Okay.
house.
Okay.
Your brother?
Go slow.
What do you need me to do?
I'm with you, buddy.
We just need ambulance here. Or med kit.
They're on the way.
Alright, hold on to me. Hang on to me. Hold on to me. Just go slow.
You need to walk out? We got blue coming out.
Are you okay?
If you have EMTs, they can come up. Yeah, he
I'm gonna go out.
got hit in the arm or something. Up and to the right, all clear.
What do you need from me?
I don't know. We need medical assistance. Medical assistance for target.
Alright, they're on their way.
Is
it just the two of you down here?
we got 2 blue up here. We're all good.
Do me a favor. The two of you, I'm gonna have you come out here under the porch, okay? Super quick.
You okay?
Yeah.
I don't need people moving around. I don't need people
Yeah.
moving around.
Yeah, you got hit in the head there.
Just,
Yeah, I think you probably hit the head.
yeah, because I was
Just be careful. Right here.
Oh, are you okay? There's EMS downstairs.
Yeah, I just nicked my head. I think it was just when I was
Yeah.
rumbling around.
Bleeding pretty good.
It's fast. If you wanna.
We'll have you guys go outside, okay?
You still in the
Cars on.
Yeah, until
we should.
until the scene is cleared, I'd say.
Yeah.
With what's going on here.
We don't need to keep things in a locked house.
Yeah. You're not gonna be locked
Is it,
out. I just can't have everybody inside the hospital.
who's
That's all there is to it. I don't know. I don't know.
Like,
I'm not lying to you. I
don't
don't
know.
know absolutely anything.
to get EMS to try to come?
I'm just trying to,
They're here.
you know, make sure everything stays clear. You know what I mean? I don't know. So head outside for me, okay? Just have a seat on the porch.
I mean, there's like,
You want to take this rocking chair outside so you can sit on it?
No, I'll take it.
All right.
I don't know what was hit with. The bat, maybe?
I really don't know, because
I
it was.
think that's what got your head.
The upstairs is clear. I was on perimeter and came in.
We have one down in here.
There's nothing I can do.
I'm pretty just fight from the back of the bus.
Where do you get shot at?
I don't know. I was on perimeter.
One down in here.
Where's the
Right
video?
there.
I have no idea. Sorry.
We have one down in here.
You just let me know if you need me out of your way or in your way, whatever you need.
It's like taser force all over.
Is it? Oh, yeah. Let me cut him up real quick. Like you got a hand shot right there, looks like maybe.
Let me just, you guys got enough? You want me to step out?
You're
Good?
okay. You're okay.
Everyone was trying to go less lethal.
Because we're fighting from too far back.
I know. Can we go take you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'll walk
I
down.
know. You're good? I want someone to kind of pick you up.
Hey, what's you're
Yeah.
tripping.
Oh, wait. You're hooked up there.
All right, I got it.
Yeah, I got you.
I don't know if we came out or not.
Sit here and let them.
I'm gonna turn this off.
Derek Smith was ultimately taken down during the struggle, and 3 officers were later treated at the hospital. For more real body cam breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe.